So dear friends, today we're gonna make another amazing craft, which is not on my table. I just don't want to be a witch again. I don't want to be, because I'm gonna be a princess and I know how I'm going to bring our craft in here. Watch me out. Hold on, have to remember. No. Make it, okay, got it. So, hocus pocus, abracadabra, biggity, baggity, boom. I told ya. Well, witches are for one kind of magic, princesses for another, but now it's not about me. So, just look at what I have prepared for you for Halloween. Here is a pumpkin box. But it's not a simple one. A lot of goodies are hidden in it. Well, if you're lucky. You know what I mean. So, let's watch the video until the end and see how we can craft this amazing pumpkin toy. To make this amazing toy, we will form a shape of pumpkin from the toilet paper rolls. We fasten the rolls together with a stapler. We measure the requested size by drawing around the shape and then glue it at the bottom. Let's cut some strips of paper. We used orange, just like our pumpkin, and measure a little bit more than our construction. Now, let's glue the sides with this paper, and I'll make small cuts, bend the sides, and glue them to the margins. Make a small cut on the top side of our pumpkin and add a leash. Secure it from the inside. Add sweets, and don't forget to add some fun or scary findings just to prank your friends. Now we glue the orange paper on top that has the same pumpkin shape. And then we glue the stickers. Add an orange leaf, and that's all. It is ready. Well, as you can see, each cell is filled with sweets. I wonder what kind of candy will I get, but I know where I put them. But I can ask a friend and see what they will get. So, hey Chris, can you choose a character or something from the pumpkin box?
Yeah, red lollipop.
The red lollipop. Okay, let's see what you got. Ew, Chris, you got jelly worms. You don't like them. Oh, okay. But I guess you're gonna use them later. But guys, subscribe to the channel. Make cool crafts with us. Let's be friends on social network. And a happy Halloween. Let's see what I got. I don't know what to choose. A bat? I got a pumpkin.